Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, afternoon, evening, good night for everyone that watching this video. We are from the seventh group of English for Accounting class, and we are gonna be presenting what we have been gathered for the past weeks. And before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves first. And over here we have 6 presenters, which includes the first one is Muhammad Luki Prasetyo. The second one is Delia Amelia. The third one is Siska Kartika. The fourth one is Fitri Siti Rahayu. And the last one is Alfian Ahmad Fauzi. And me, Zakri Abdurrahman, is gonna be your moderator for this presentation. But before we jump into the start of the session, we would like to give a thanks to Miss Asri Siti Fatima for giving the opportunity to our group to be presenting our part. And without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the first session. And it is about the first one is about what is accounting, and the presenter is gonna be Muhammad Luki Prasetyo. Go ahead.
Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Luki Prasetyo. In this presentation, I will explain about what is accounting. Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting them to regulatory bodies and tax authorities. It provides a comprehensive overview of an organization's financial health and performance, serving as a vital tool for resource management and strategic growth. Essentially, accounting transforms raw data into processed information through financial statements, offering insights into what's working and what needs improvement. It plays a fundamental role in decision making, cost planning, and evaluating economic process performance across businesses of all sizes. The reports generated by various accounting streams, such as cost accounting and managerial accounting, are invaluable in helping management make informed business decisions. Managerial accounting helps the management team make business decisions, while cost accounting helps business owners decide how much to price a product.
Okay, thank you so much for Muhammad Luki Prasetyo for explaining what is accounting. And we can now jump straight into the second one and the continuing after the last one. And it is about several types of accounting and the basic of accounting. And the presenter is going to be Delia Amelia. For Delia Amelia, take the wheel.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Here I will continue from the very first material. There are several types of accounting, including first, financial accounting, second, management accounting, third, cost accounting, and the last is tax accounting. Besides that, there are also the basic of accounting, which include first, recording financial transaction. Second, organizing financial transaction. Third, running the accounting report. Running the accounting report, which include profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and then cash flow statement. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for Delia Amelia for explaining your part. And now we can get straight into the third one. And it's about why does accounting become one of economic studies? And the presenter is going to be Siska Kartika. Go ahead.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. I am Siska Kartika and I will explain why does accounting become one of economic studies. Accounting is closely related to economics because it provides crucial information about the financial aspects of economic activities. And here are a few reasons why accounting is considered a part of economics studies. The first is resource allocation. Accounting helps in tracking and measuring the allocation of resources within an economy, which is a fundamental concern in economics. The second is decision making. Economic agents such as business and governments rely on accounting information to make informed decisions about resource allocation, investment, and policy. And the third is economic transactions. Accounting records economic transactions, which are essential data for economic analysis and research. And the fourth is measuring economic performance. Accounting provides tools to measuring and assess the economic performance of organizations and industries, which is vital for economic analysis. And the last is fiscal and monetary policy. And government accounting is crucial for formulating fiscal and monetary policies that can impact an economy's overall health. And in summary, accounting plays a pivotal role in providing financial data and insights that inform economic decision making, policy formulation, and the analysis of economic activities. And this integration makes it an integral part of economic studies. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for Sister Kartika for explaining what does accounting become one of the economic studies. And the next one, we have several jobs in accounting. And this part is going to be presented by two people. And the first one is going to be Fitri Siti Rahayu, and it's going to be continued by Alfian Ahmad Fauji. For both of them, it's all yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Now I will explain several jobs in accounting. Number one is public accountant. Public accountant work from accounting firms or as independent practitioners. They provide service like auditing, tax preparation, and consulting to individual and business. Number two is government accountant. Government accountant work from government agency at the federal, state, or local level. They ensure compliance with financial regulation and manage public funds. Number three, work within organization, managing financial record, preparing financial statement, and helping with budgeting and financial planning. Number four is forensic accountant. Forensic accountant investigate financial discrepancies and fraud. They often work with law enforcement agency and legal teams. Number five is management accountant. Management accountant, also known as cost managerial or private accountants, focus on providing financial information for internal use within a company to aid in decision making. Number six, financial analyst. Financial analyst assesses the financial performance of company and industry, providing insight and recommendation to investor, business, and individual. Next, to my friend is Alfian.
Okay, thank you. Continue the presentation that my friend has done without further ado. We just start. Okay, the seven, tax accountant. Tax accountant specialist in tax law and help individuals and business navigate the complex world of taxation, including preparing tax return and optimizing tax strategies. The seven, auditors. Auditors review financial report and statement to ensure accuracy and compliance with laws and regulations. They can work in various sectors, including public accounting firms and within organizations. The ninth, accounting information system or A specialist. A specialist focus on the technology and software used in accounting, helping organizations implement and maintain accounting system. The 10, non-profit accountant. Non-profit accountant work for non-profit organization and must understand the unequal financial reporting requirement and compliance issues that apply to the non-profit sector. The 11, financial planner. Financial planner assists individuals and families with financial planning, including retirement planning, investment strategies, and asset planning. And the last one, credit analyst. Credit analyst assess the credit worthiness of individual and business to determine their eligibility for loans or credit. Thank you. I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you so much for Fitri and Alfian for doing a good job explaining the several jobs in accounting. And after this, we are gonna be jumping into the last session of the presentation, and it is about what we are gonna be in the future and why. And the first one that gonna be explaining what they are gonna be in the future and why is Muhammad Luki Prasetyo. Take the wheel.
In the future, I want to be an auditor because as the professions provides good career development opportunities, ranging from junior auditors to senior management, with the potential to become a partner or director. As auditors, we will also gain an in-depth understanding of different types of businesses, industries, and company operations, which is valuable knowledge for a career in the business world. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Muhammad Luki Prasetyo. And we can now continue into the next one, and it is Alfian Ahmad Fauzi. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. In the future, I want to be senior manager. The reason I chose the become a senior manager is because in terms of career, this position is already guaranteed because it's only one level below the executive of a company. In addition, I am also quite happy to be involved with external parties and also contribute to making choice and want to be someone who is able to motivate the people around me to be even better. Therefore, this position is the right choice for my career. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for Alfian Ahmad Fauzi. And we can get into the third one, and it is me, Zakri Abdurrahman. And what I wanted to be in the future and why. I wanted to be Chief Accounting Officer. And why I wanted to become the CIO in the future is because I want to become someone that can control, oversees, and have full responsibility for the company's financial operation, which include anything that operate in the financial of the company. It is a challenging work that also comes with a great rewarding experience. And basically, I wanted to become someone that look up by anyone. So this job is suiting for me. I wanted to break through my comfort zone and become the Chief Accounting Officer in the future. Thank you. And we get to the fourth person, and it is Delia Amelia. Go ahead.
Okay, I chose a public accountant for a future job. Choosing a career as a public accountant can be a good choice because there will always be jobs in accounting that will continue to be available, as well as looking for a stable and promising career with good prospects and salaries. It can also provide a better understanding of finance, which is an opportunity to start a business. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for Delia Amelia. And we can jump into the next one, and it is Siska Kartika. Go ahead.
In the future, I want to be public auditor. Bentar, cutnya. In the future, I want to be the auditor because I think that currently auditors are really needed. Moreover, recently there have been many cases in government and private companies related to financial reports, such as data manipulation, embezzlement of state funds, and other fraud. And auditors who are independent, honest, professional, and in accordance with a code of ethics are really needed to resolve these problems. That's why I want to become an auditor. Thank you.
Thank you so much for Sisa Kartika. And now we get into the last person, and it is Fitri Sitri Rahayu. Go ahead.
Okay, thanks to moderator. In the future, I want to government accountant. In government, financial frauds sometimes occur quite frequently. That's why we need an accountant who is not only skilled but also honest. If financial fraud in government financial reports continue, the country will not progress. So I want to become a public accountant to contribute to the advance of the nation. Thank you.
Kak. Kadang itu serang ngaji. Enggak. Oke. Ini masih Agung kan ngaji. Okay, thank you so much for Fitri Sitri Rahayu. And that brings us to the end. What a great reason to become someone in the future. What we are gonna become in the future, and have a good reason. And thank you to all of you that have been paying attention to our presentation today. We have been past all of our session of the presentation from the start to finish, and we would like to apologize in advance for any inconvenience in anything that we said. We are very sorry about that. So that's all from all of us. See you again in the next time. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Dadah.